Hello and welcome. I'm at CMT Trade Fair in Stuttgart. These are motorhomes and campervans from Mobilvetta design. I'm coming straight down here to this Yacht 90 Tekno line motorhome, which comes with a 5-year guarantee, and as the price 115,000, 115,500 I should say. And if you want the size, 750 by 235, height 298, weight, gross vehicle weight from 3.5 tons. So there may be a reason to put it on higher. If I lived in the United Kingdom, I'd have it on higher. If I didn't live in the United Kingdom, I'd have it down lower. So that's the way I look at it. At the rear, we've got this bed which can be raised in height should you want it to be a bit higher and get yourself more space in the garage, although if you want to have it easy to get in. Background lighting I think is outstanding. Drawers under the bed, and also that's relatively easy to get in, as it's not always the way. And there you have a wardrobe and one on the other side. Oh, lovely setting, I think. This looks really is very attractive. Here it has a door. It's a solid door. Well, it's actually more of an empty door than a solid door. It's lightweight, as you can see. I have my doubts on how these things will last. That's why I prefer cloth, because I feel that after a while it's going to start rattling and rolling. But maybe you want something that rattles and rolls as you're driving along. Close this here to give us this toilet with a more elegant lighting. A bowl over there, and shower here. 2 drainage points. I like the sauna look. Right, now unfortunately there's a step here which is quite common with this type of layout, but personally I don't like steps. I like flat floors so you don't end up tripping over them. Anyway, here, large sink, very nicely done. Here we've got, there's the price list I think, and I'm going to move this up and show you what we've got there. We've got 3 burners. It comes from Can, and we've got this also sort of an extension, if you like, to your kitchen workspace. You've got this one on here, or maybe you've got 2 here. You can still continue preparing things. We've got the proper drawers in there, and more storage up here. Face to face. Now the thing with the face to face is, under the chairs here there's a chair facing that way, so that's with your seatbelt on. You can see there's a seatbelt lying down there. There's a seatbelt lying on the other side as well. I think this is now obligatory in I don't know if it's obligatory if it's Germany or it's the European Union, but I think it's obligatory now. Up here we've got the bed, which will drop down, and this gives you an idea of the size of the bed. You've got a lovely big window up there. I'm not dropping it down the full way because, bear in mind, as always, you've got to move the chairs to put the bed down. But as you can see, I've moved it around quite easily with my weak arm, and that was no problem at all. Closed the blinds. I've got the plissé blinds. I'll do a video again of how these things work, but I'll do it from my own motorhome where it's much easier. We've also got a blind which will move up at the front, and that one there is electric. Notice there's also the plissé blind on that side, but on this side we've got 1 plissé blind to the whole thing. On the driver's side there's 2, because the way the windows are. I don't know. Right, double floor. This is, to me, a really essential feature, and certainly at this price level I would expect one. So let's open it up and show you how deep it is. There you go. So it's not as deep as it is in Carthago or in Hymer, for example, but it's deeper than it is, or the same size as it is in EuraMobil, for example. Very large garage at the back, which, if memory serves me correctly, takes 200 kilos of weight. Got an outside shower thing there. Good, right, so this is just about the top of the range for Mobilvetta design. It does, however, have something which is totally absurd. This fluidine, you can see that in a different video. They only made one of these, and I don't think any more will ever get made. But it's, I think it's ridiculous. But anyway, if you like those programs like Space 1999 and things like that, then you might want to see the video I've done on that, and there will be a link below. Okay, for the moment, thanks for watching. Yacht Tekno line 90 from Stuttgart. Bye for now.